Hello, 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 guys. Welcome to a new great Friday episode of Crypto Milad. Today is 8th November, and we're gonna make a great show today. We have a couple losers, guys, so we're gonna discuss Speedy, what's dropping a lot. We're gonna discuss Hoppy, because Hoppy is also dropping a little bit. So we're gonna dive in those charts because I know, guys, you guys are a little bit worried. I had already a couple messages of worry subscribers, and that's nothing to worry about, guys. We're gonna dive in the charts and we're gonna check and find out what's happening. What we also gonna discuss, guys, it's Apu, also a nice meme coin, what we will discuss. And we're gonna discuss Turbo, guys. I think Turbo, it's also doing good, and we didn't spoke it for the last week, so let's take a dive in Turbo also to see what's happening with Turbo. Just, guys, first, like how you know, we're gonna dive fast in the Bitcoin, fast. We're gonna take a look because, guys, Bitcoin is also important for what meme coins will do, because Bitcoin is the front runner. Like you see, guys, a big loser today. It's Speedy. Had a very big drop. It was even more than 29%. What's here showing in the crypto bubbles. Hoppy, it's dropping, and Apple, it's doing good. It went up. So let me see. Turbo, it's also going a little bit up. Phil, it's up 10%. So couple coins are doing good and couple coins are doing less. So let's take a look. And Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin actually doing more than good, guys. Let's go to the daily charts. Then we keep it short with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing fine. The only thing what Bitcoin need to do, guys, it's breaking this red line which you see where is some resistance. It was, I think, at the 4 days, because it doesn't go so well on the let me check. Okay, it looks like it moved or something. Maybe my hands come against it. Okay, like this, it's good. And this is also moved. Let's just remove this one for now. So, guys, we need to break this point. If we can break the 67 and have a one close above this red line, guys, it's great. It's great. That means that Bitcoin will search for higher prices, and the higher prices are discovery price, guys. It's a discovery price. It's very excited. We are today in the weekend, the stock market. It's the last day of the stock market. So today the stock market is closed, and after tomorrow, Sunday also. But I think Bitcoin will do whatever Bitcoin want to do in these days, because Bitcoin is now at the all-time high. It broke the all-time high, so the things are a little bit changing, guys. So we need to see what the new chart will do, what the new structure will do, what will give us, and I think it will be very positive, guys. So Bitcoin, all fine, all good. Just, guys, let's go to Speedy. I cannot say the same for Speedy, unfortunately, guys. It seems that Speedy had a very big drop, guys. It had a huge drop. Let's go to the 4 hours. Like you see, guys, in the 4 hours, we should defend, we shouldn't defend this line what we had here, and we broke out. I think the line is even on the daily. Yeah, here you can see it better. So we should defend it, this green line what you see, and we could not defend it, and they broke under it. I don't know exactly what's the reason, what's happening, why this drop was so heavy, but I guess, guys, that's some big holders. I don't know if it's the group self of Speedy, but some people in Speedy, they decide to sell big time. So decide to drop the price. I don't know exactly what's the reason for that, but like, I always look the charts, guys. I don't need to know what's the reason for it, because I actually know maybe what's the reason. The reason is somebody with big bags dropped sold some big amount of Speedy. And Guys, Speedy should really defended this 2.6 cent, 2.5 cent, guys. When we dropped under the 2.5 cents, it was so horrible for Speedy, guys, because it means that the drop was so big that we come like at a low of 1.8 cent, and that's quite low, guys. That's scary low. Just the one thing what's still good, guys, if we can defend the, like if we come lower than 1.3 cents, so 0.13, that will be horrible for the charts, because it means that there is no higher low anymore, because right now there is a little higher high and there is a little higher low. So for example, if we bounce from here and we go up and we make a higher high, there is nothing to really worry about in the Speedy chart. Just at this moment, guys, the bulls really need to defend the 0.13 cent, guys. If we break under this point, it will be horrible for Speedy, and I don't think that it will happen. Like already I talked yesterday that the probability was bigger that we bounce from that point than that we go lower. I'm already very surprised in Speedy that it goes so low, and actually it's not so positive for a coin to go so low. And like Speedy, the definition of Speedy, it's slow and steady, guys. This doesn't show slow and steady. This shows like a big drop. I also asked in the Speedy, in the X of Speedy, I asked some explanation how it's possible that there is such a big drop in the coin. They didn't respond me yet, but if there comes some response, I will announce it in the next episode, guys. So Speedy, it doesn't look good, guys. Let's hope this will be defended. If this 1.3013 will be broken, guys, that's very, very bad news for Speedy. So let's hope this was the crash, and from now it's go up and we make a higher high in the sooner days what will come, guys. Okay, enough about Speedy. I think we talked about enough about Speedy in this episode. We saw what happened. Let's go to Hoppy, guys. Hoppy, guys, it's showing a healthy chart. Of course, guys, if we broke at this point above the all-time high here, the 0035, if we broke above, it showed a lot more strength and more bullish chart. But yesterday I showed you guys, this is a point, this red line is a point which you can see, it comes from here, from this point. It's a resistance line, what's quite respected. So we could expect that the price here gets some turbulence and it comes down. But one thing I want to show you guys, you see this green support line, this green support line. This green support line is quite important, guys. I will tell quite important. This should hold. A little wick under it, it's not a problem. We had it 2 times before. But a close under this green line, guys, that's not good. That's really not good. That means that we can make a lower low, and that's not good. But if we just hold this green line, and from there we make a higher high, there is nothing to worry about, guys. And this green line at this moment, it's at 0024, so the price should not come under 0.3024. So the bulls need to defend it with their life at that point, and we are the bulls, guys. We are the bulls. So maybe this is the last chance that you can buy Hoppy for this kind of price, guys, because I think the probability that it will hold at this green line at 0.0024, that's all fine. So actually there is nothing really worry about with Hoppy. Of course, we wanted to see that it broke here this red line, and then it was very bullish, because then we broke totally the structure of this resistance line. It's the same when Bitcoin broke the downward sloping channel after a long time, and this is actually the same situation. So one candle above this will be super bullish. One candle close under this green line will be super bearish, and I don't expect it, guys. We are not at the moment to make this move at the time of the year. So let's hope that today or tomorrow or after tomorrow, Hoppy will find the dip, the point to move up. Probably it will be at 3024. That's the most probability. And if it's not at 3024, guys, on the 4-hour charts, there is another good support. The other support, it's here at 0026 at the 4 hours. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this is the 5th time that it will come to this point and it went up. So we can have a little drop under it, like a wick, but it should fast come up. And so we have actually two supports for Hoppy, what give us a lot of power to go up again. And the one here at the 4 hour, the white line, which you see, the support at 00026, it's also supported by the 100 EMA, the trend line. So you have there double support. So that will be also very good. So we have one support here at 0026 and one support at 00024. So guys, for all the Hoppy crew, it's still positive, nothing to worry about. The probability is a lot bigger that we bounce from these two support lines. Let's don't think about the worst scenario that we don't hold the second support line, the red one at 00024, because that will be not so good news. But I don't want to think about it because I think the probability is a lot bigger that we bounce from or the first or the second support, guys. So Hoppy, come on, Hoppy. Push it up because we need it at this moment. Then, guys, I want to speak about another coin, Apu. A team, one of our subscribers also mentioned this yesterday in the comments, and I already had some look in Apu, and Apu also it looks quite strong. Let's go to Apu to the DEX tools. It has 25,000 holders. It has a market cap of almost 400 million, so almost a half billion, 375 million. So that's quite good, guys. And the charts, guys, it's super bullish for Apple because it's break its all-time high, guys. And when a coin, it doesn't matter what kind of coin it is, it doesn't matter what kind of stock it is. When a coin is near the all-time high, I will be always super bullish because it means that the chance is a lot bigger that it will break the all-time high. And it already broke the all-time high, guys. And we had a close above a candle, a daily close above the all-time high. So that's super bullish. Probably Apple will make higher prices, guys, from here. And probably soon Apple will be at 1 billion market cap. So double from the price, triple from the price, almost from here. Because Apple go hard, guys. The marketing is good. The community is big and strong. And lately they are quite like, look, this was the only worry about when you was here, like, okay, it went 100% almost, oh no, not 100%, like 50% it went here down. And from here, see, oh no, 80% it went down from this point to this point, and then 80% it went up again. So this was a little bit at the moment, but it was also going up so much, guys, at this point. Like from this point to this point, it was already 200% up. So it was overbought, so it needed a little cool down. It went to a cool down, 80% down, and now it's going up again, and it looks very good, guys. The volume it's going up again on the daily chart. It's all looking quite nice and good for Apu. So actually, this coin, guys, we're gonna mention it a little bit more in the episodes. And let's see the next week or a couple of days, we're gonna mention it again. And let's see where Apple is at that moment. So we expect higher prices for Apple. It looks very strong, guys. I hope Hoppy soon also will be in this chart, in kind of this charts, and break the all-time high and go up again, guys. So let's see. It will be exciting. Excited last 2 months, what I told you guys, and I expect really, really, really good positive outcomes, guys. This is not financial advice. This is just my journey, guys. But I really think that we are at the time that the bag's gonna be bigger and bigger, guys. The last coin of today, guys, we're gonna take a look at Turbo, because Turbo seems that it found the bottom. Why? Let's see, guys, what happened. Okay, we're back. So Turbo, guys, it seems that Turbo, let's go to the daily chart. It seems that Turbo found its bottom here at 0.007. So 0.007. That was a point that was the lowest point of Turbo. And from there we bounced up. So let's see if we can now. It's already closed before this, so I just need, like, it just need to go a little bit up. It just need to go to 1 cent, guys. If it's on 1 cent, it will be super bullish for Turbo. Then the next residence is at this green line. It's at 0.11, so 1.1 cents. And then, guys, then we come to the end boss, the 0.1.3, and from there, guys, if it's here, it's super bullish. Then I think Turbo will fast go to a couple cent, guys. I think Turbo, the end of this bull market will be at least at between 10 and 25 cents. That's even a low estimate what I think that Turbo will go, because Turbo is a strong coin. Turbo is a strong community, and I think Turbo has a lot to come still, guys. The marketing is good. The team is strong. There is a lot of money flowing inside Turbo, guys. Like this, it's a strong coin. Just, guys, on the daily MACD, it looks like the green line gonna cross the red line. When the green line cross the red line at this level, guys, it's super bullish. So our bets are safe in Turbo, guys. I think Turbo will make a great Q4 for us. So, guys, I think that's enough for today. So no worry, guys, about Hoppy. I think Hoppy will be great. I showed you guys the two support moments that we really need to hold. I think the chance is very big that we hold this. We trust in Hoppy, guys. There is nothing to worry about. This is not financial advice, guys, but this is really my talk about Hoppy. I think Hoppy is a strong coin. It's a strong community. It's not a kind of coin that want to come a couple months in the market and go and take all the money from the people, guys. I think really Hoppy will reward us for all the trust and faith what we have in Hoppy. So nothing to worry about, guys. Enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend, and hopefully to the next episode we're gonna make some great announce some great meme coins. I'm gonna investigate a couple meme coins, but I think it's also good. I didn't announce it yet because the investigation was not finished yet. I want to dive a little bit more in it to see if it's good enough. And then, guys, I share it with you guys so you guys see what I'm doing in my journey, and you guys can always self make the decision. Always, guys, be careful with meme coins. Meme coins can be very risky, guys. Never put money inside what you cannot miss. But, guys, I think we are really in this Q4, and I think the most meme coins, at least the meme coins, what I'm in and what I announce, and what I give the information in the videos. But it's not financial advice, guys. Just always do your own research. Like, if something go down or up, it's your own decision always. But what I announce, guys, I am fully having like faith in it, and I think it will go up because I researched it, and I think really the most communities what I announced, they are quite strong. And the most trust what I have, guys, at this moment, it's in my favorite frog, Hoppy, and our favorite frog, because I see a lot of people in the comments, they like Hoppy also. So, guys, let's make a great Q4 together. I hope to see you guys soon again. If you support the channel, please put a like and share it with your friends and with your family. Then we have a great fantastic community what we can share things with each other, guys, because in the end we need to help each other and communicate with each other. It's always good to have more brains and see other people's opinions and what they are doing. It's always good to consider that in our journey, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you hopefully in the next episode. Crypto Milad, ciao. Enjoy your Friday, guys. Bye bye.